fat. 40-inch hair, yours came in a pack. Camel toe fat, you can see it from the back.
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notifications so you don't miss a single video. This hair is from Aisi Queens on Amazon. You get 2 combs in the front, adjustable straps, it's really soft. You do get 1 or 2 strands out of this wig. Your contact information. The price is $16.99 with Amazon Prime. Heat resistant.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby. But you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Fuck who talk behind my back, cause the bitch knew better than to let me hear. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees.